If you think cruise ship hallways are just beige and boring, you haven't seen Deck 12. We're walking through a literal rainbow right now. I'm Kylie with Simply Cruising and I'm obsessed. I kind of want this carpet in my house. It's the perfect way to get the energy up before we hit the clubs. From tiny humans to teenagers, this is where the magic happens. Let's go. First stop, Adventure Ocean Babies, a lifesaver for parents with little ones aged 6 to 36 months. It's a bright, safe VIP lounge for toddlers. Check out those adorable scooters. There's even a dedicated crib and changing area tucked away behind the back wall. Just a need to know, the nursery does have a fee, usually $9 to $12 an hour, and you definitely want to pre-book since it fills up fast. Best investment you'll make for your cruise. Next is Adventure Ocean Juniors for the 3 to 5-year-olds. The vibe is incredible. Sky blue murals and fluffy clouds make it feel so open and airy. There's a rocket ship with a slide, toy chests, and fully stocked doll houses. It's a perfect spot for them to burn off energy while you get some me time on deck. Just down the hall, that amazing striped carpet makes its return, surrounded by neon lights and vibrant pops of purple, yellow, and blue. This is the play place, and it's such a fantastic flexible space. It's an open area filled with jungle gyms and soft padded flooring specifically designed for the energy of kids under 5. What's great is that it serves a double purpose. Families can come here together for some quality playtime, or the Adventure Ocean staff will bring the kids in here during their scheduled time to let them climb and explore in a safe, supervised environment. Now let's step inside the arcade because this place is absolutely massive. It's neon drenched and packed with enough energy to keep the kids and, let's be honest, the adults busy for hours. They've got 2 air hockey tables for some friendly competition, various prize machines, and those cut the string games where you try to snag the big rewards. If you're a fan of the classics, they have plenty of skee ball and even a bowling style machine that is incredibly addictive. For the tech lovers, there's the Airstrike VR game that really immerses you in the action. And of course, keep an eye out for those famous Royal Caribbean duck machines. The best part is that kids can save up all their tickets from various games and exchange them at the end in this automated prize machine for some cool souvenirs to remember their trip. Those doors right there pass by Johnny Rockets and lead to the social club, the dedicated hangout to 13 to 17-year-olds. Plus, the stairs take you straight to the flow rider, sports court, and rock climbing wall. It's the ultimate shortcut to the top deck action. Next, down the hall, we come to the workshop, which is the hub for kids ages 6 to 12. Head here between 11 and 5 p.m. on day 1 to handle registration for all age groups. You'll sign your waivers, grab the activity schedules, and let your kids take a look around. Most importantly, this is where they'll get their muster station wristband if one wasn't already left in your stateroom. In case of an emergency, the staff uses those bracelets to match the kids and take them directly to their specific muster station, so you have total peace of mind. Inside, there's a massive space for arts, crafts, and cool science experiments. If you head towards the back, you'll find huge flat screen TVs for movie nights and every game console imaginable. They've even got those foosball and huge area where they hold their Gaga Ball tournaments. Honestly, it's one of the best Gaga setups I've ever seen at sea. This is definitely top 3 Adventure Ocean setups I've seen, and the area for this age group is easily one of the most expansive I've ever come across. Finally, we're heading out for a walkabout over by the social club. This is the ultimate hangout spot for the 13 to 17-year-old crowd, and it's where all those epic teen parties and nightly events happen. They get their own dedicated lounge access right here, which is honestly one of the best parts of the ship. It's perfectly located with easy access to the flow rider, and the teen personnel are amazing. They really know how to relate to the group and break the ice. With their cool personalities, great music, and non-stop activities, they make it so easy for teens to step out of their shells and make lifelong friends. Whether your kids are making their first memories in the nursery or making lifelong friends at the social club, this ship truly has something for every age group. It's spaces like these that turn a great vacation into an unforgettable one for the whole family. If you found this tour helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise tips and ship tours. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next horizon.